So hello friends, today I'm going to show you a repair that it is so simple that it would be criminal not to show it to you. And then the repair is in a Nikkor 100-300mm 5.6, and then I think this thing might be really common. Just let me find it to show it to you. Okay, I have this haze here, and then this other spot here is a start of fungus. And then this is the third lens I got this year in this situation, some haze and then some beginning of fungus, and then the repair is extremely simple. That we're going to do it right now, and it's not going to take more than 5 minutes. So if you put your lens here, you will find this screw, this set screw, that you will be able to unscrew using a flat screwdriver of 1.2 millimeters wide that I have here. And then with that you will probably need, once you get the screw loose, a rubber glove, and then just to get this part loose. So, and then with that loose, you will simply remove this ring here, and then you will gain access to this front element, and then with a spanner or a compass you will be able to unscrew it. So once I find the indentations, okay, and with that we have removed this element which has the haze and the fungus. You see there the fungus and the haze. So what we're going to do extremely fast is to remove them. So we're going to do a quick clean. I take my lens cleaning stuff. So as usual, you will find the two microfiber cloths, the old and the new one, and then the lens cleaning fluid. That's what we're going to use. So before, okay, and then you should be able to find this on the video description if you want to get some as well. Okay. I was just checking if I wasn't touching the surface on the back. You see the fungus and the haze are already gone. So what I'm going to do now is to finish the cleaning. Just remove everything nasty. Now with the new microfiber cloth, I'm just going to finish the clean until I am not able to see any more traces of cleaning. Okay, then the glass seems to be really good now, so a really nice reflection passing. Okay, here you go. Really nice and really clean. Okay, so now we're done. I told you this was going to be really fast. So now we can proceed to reassemble the lens. So for good measure, just blow any dust out of the lens, and then we put this guy in. Okay, I need to make sure that it gets into the thread, which doesn't seem to be the case right now. Okay, that's it. And then now we need to pay attention to this small position here. This is where you should be matching with the screw here. So what I did, I just drew a small line. I did that before. And then with that. And then with my rubber glove, I make sure it gets in position. Then I simply screw back and make sure it is not protruding, and that's it. Our lens is good for another 30 years. And then, okay, this is all I wanted to show today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.